Why are Japan trains so quiet? Welcome back to day 5. Today I'll explain Japan train rules. In Japan, trains are very quiet. People do not talk loudly. Please put your phone on silent mode. Do not talk on the phone. Wait in the before getting on the train. Let people get off fast. In explain accelerator rules. In Tokyo, people usually stand on the left side, walk on the right side. In Osaka, people usually stand on the right side, walk on the left side. Please follow the people around you. In Japan, everyone respect other. If you need help in Japan, please contact me. I am always happy to support tourists. Bye.